Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the watch strap on your Casio G Shock GA2100. So I'm going to show you how to take off the watch strap, how to put it back in, explain you the lock dimension, and also show you a few examples that you can order online, either to adapt it to a NATO strap or to order the same watch strap. You also have a nylon option, so I'm going to leave a link in the description below to all of those. As you can see right here, I have a spring bar remover, so a pin remover. It has two teeth on one end and one on the other side for the drilled lugs. These Casio G Shocks GA2100 have the quick release spring bars, but in case you cannot grab them, you can definitely use a spring bar tool, so a pin remover just like this one. I will leave a link in the description below, so you can simply apply a little bit of pressure. As you can see, this end will come out and you can easily remove the watch strap. As you can see right here, the spring bar will remain inside because it has this window right here and it has this quick release option. So you can go online and order a 16mm strap. So as you can see, I have a caliper right here. Let's turn it on and check. As you can see, 15.9, so around 16mm. You can go on Amazon. I have a link where you can buy this exact type of strap. You also have a few adapters, so small tiny parts that will go here in order to adapt your Casio watch to a 20 or 22mm strap, so you can use NATO straps and other types of straps as well. There is also a nylon option. I will leave a link in the description below, maybe also insert them on the screen so that you can check them out. Now, the same principle will apply on the other end as well. So once you order the new strap and you need to get it inside, what you need to do is to place this part of the pin inside one of the holes. So just like this. And then you are going to apply pressure on the spring bar. You are going to hear it go inside, and you need to test it a little to make sure that it went inside both ways. This tutorial is going to work on all GA2100 models, so the entire series. Now, that was the quick tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a bunch of other watch tutorials regarding this model on our YouTube channel, so make sure to check them out. I also ordered an adapter for this exact model, so I'm going to make another video where I show you how to use that adapter, place it inside, and how to interchange between straps or NATO straps. Once again, like, subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next video.